Good morning.
Time to get up. These glasses, jacket, and sweats, baby girl, that's a get up.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and happy holidays. So today is my official lock anniversary. Today is December the 23rd. I'm so excited. I finally reached 2 years locks. And today I'm going to talk about some of the lessons that I learned on my second year of being locked. I have a few. They're random, but I promise you, they matter. They matter. So stay tuned. The first lesson I learned is because, you know, I just moved to Texas. It was maybe I've been here a year now. It became a year beginning of December. But y'all, the navigating Texas heat in my locks, it was a journey. It was a journey, but I got there. So, you know, when I moisturize my locks, especially in the morning, I use oil and water. So I realized with Texas heat, you gotta eliminate the oil before you go to work in the morning or before you start your day. Yeah, take the oil out and just use water. Learned my lesson, because baby, that hot sun, 112 degrees and oil on locks don't mix, because it was cooking the oil and the oil was cooking my locks like it was frying it. Baby. So I stopped doing oil in the morning. I only do oil at night, like before bed, like during the summertime. And I just started doing water in the morning, just spraying my hair with water and going out the door. When I tell you, when I started doing that, my hair started staying moisturized all day. But the thing is, I ain't learned that until about July, August. It was probably August. So, but next summer, listen, it's up and stuck, because your girl know what to do now. So, boom, that's the first. Second lesson. Water matters when it comes to the fluffiness and the thickness of your locks. And I say that because I just think, oh, it's just more, you know, help with moisture and stuff like that. But no, if you want to keep a thick, fluffy look, I would definitely suggest being serious about adding water to your locks, because I know one day my locks were just looking a little dreadful. And I added water on them and I went to bed and I woke up, they were so fluffy and just puffed up. And I'm like, okay, I never thought about that before, because I know your locks do puff up and stuff for moisture and just stuff like that, but I never really just thought about it as the reason why my locks probably so fluffy and stuff. And how I'm gonna maintain that is making sure I'm serious about adding in that water every single day. It ain't gotta be a whole lot. You ain't gotta drench it. Just mist here and there. You know, you got it. I realized that I can style my hair a whole lot more when I don't have a retwist, because right now I got a fresh retwist. So I'm probably gonna be wearing it like this. Oh, that's another lesson I forgot to think about, but I'm gonna say that as soon as I get to seeing this. But anyways, I can style my locks a whole lot more when they're when I have a lot of new growth versus when I have a fresh retwist. When I have a fresh retwist, I be so cautious, like, ooh, I hope I don't unravel my retwist, you know, stuff like that. But when my hair, I don't have a retwist and it's been a while in between the retwist, man, I be doing all types of styles then. That's, you know, I be happy to do a style. And another thing too, a lesson that I had to learn, and I just learned this in the last week or so, is when I wear my hair down, I have sensitive skin, so when I wear my hair down, I need to try to wear like a headband or something, especially for now. But because it breaks me out, I'm breaking out a little bit, and I seriously think it's because I've been wearing my locks now. And then another thing is too, I don't have my ordinary squalene right now. I have to buy some more, because before they had none, or was it also didn't have none? They didn't have it. So I think I'm gonna have to start buying it online, because ordinary been slipping when shipping the squalene to the stores. Y'all know that's part of my moisture routine. So that might be the reason why I'm breaking out. Also, I notice when I wear my locks like this a lot, it does something. But when I have a headband on, they kind of out of my face a little bit more, I'd be good to go. So yeah, just a little tip. All right, so when you got locks, you have to be careful with leaning on stuff, because when I went to Houston last Sunday with my friends to go see my friends, shout out to Eric and Jamie, mwah. Friends, love them. But we were taking pictures downtown, and I was leaning on the wall while Eric was taking my picture, and I was like, hold on, wait, my lock is stuck. Y'all, I didn't realize how tacky locks are, because I don't know why I never noticed it. And I think it's starting to get like that more now, since my locks are becoming more mature. Because when I was in the early start of this phase, I didn't have that issue, but now they stick on stuff so easily. But yeah, I was leaning on this fake grass wall, and they got stuck on it, and I'm like, okay, this is a new thing, because I was on the wall at Crew Lounge, they didn't do that. But when I was in Houston last week, I realized, I said, yeah, I'm gonna have to be a little bit more cautious with that, because my locks are maturing now, and I think they're becoming a lot more picking up on stuff. So Yeah. Pick up everything. Keeping your lock routine and your moisture routine simple saves you so much time on wash day and when you want to detox your locks. This is the new lesson I just realized because you know you saw my video when I detoxed my locks. It wasn't nearly as bad or as nasty and gunky as I thought it was gonna be because it's been 2 years. Because I never had one in all the 2 years I've been locked. But I think that the main factor in that is because I keep my routine so simple and I don't be using like edge control and stuff like that all the time and gels all the time. I really do think it's because I keep everything so simple. And another thing is too, my bunny on all the time. You're not gonna see my bunny on off unless I'm outside the house or either I'm in here recording a video like this. Other than that, I'm gonna have my bunny on because I just don't like sitting around the house without a bunny on. I was like that through all my hair stages. When I had relaxed, when I was a loose natural, even now, I don't like sitting around the house without a bunny on my head. So I think that helps with not collecting so much dirt and other stuff. So yeah, it saved me a lot of time on my detox day because I only had to do it twice. And even when I washed my hair, it wasn't bad or anything. So yeah, keep your routine simple and protect your locks. Coconut oil is my baby. My locks love coconut oil. Like, I don't remember if I discovered this last year. I don't remember. But this, I think I discovered it when I finally started using it, just oiling my hair at night, and I wake up and it be just like together. You feel me? So coconut oil is definitely gonna be that girl when it comes to like oils in my routine. And even on my scalp, my scalp kind of sensitive, so I gotta be careful what I put on my scalp. I put some oil on my scalp recently. It was made by olive oil. It's in that green bottle. I had to go kind of old school, I guess you'll say, with that oil. Because that oil old, it's been out since I was a child. And I put it on my scalp and it felt fine. I was good to go. I said, okay, so I see what oils I'm going to have to stick to what my mom used to use on my head. You feel me? So, yeah, I can't get too excited with them oils on my scalp because my scalp just don't be liking everything. Like, no. But that coconut oil had my locks together, baby. So they don't have to stay. That's gonna stay with me, definitely. So that's definitely a lesson learned because I kept trying to find oils that work perfect with me. I do have a lock mixture that I can use that was working. Well, it still would work good for me, but the coconut oil is just way more simple, and I could just put it on my hand and and roll like that. Take care of your new growth. Like, I didn't realize how much me like taking care of my new growth as much as I took care of my locks mattered until this last wash day that I did. Okay, so you know I had the flu when it was about 2 weeks ago, so I was just laying around the house. I wasn't even moisturizing my hair. Like, I had a lot of new growth. I wasn't doing nothing to it, like nothing. But and then when wash day came, like, bro, I had the hardest time like separating my locks, and it's been a while since I really had to separate my locks. So that's why I say, if one lesson I learned is if I'm gonna go a long time without retwist, I definitely need to keep into practice of taking care of my new growth a lot, because I was doing it. But that one time I slipped up when I had that flu, y'all, it was bad. Like, I'll never do that again. Next time I'm just gonna make myself do it or something, because yeah, that's very important. It makes your wash day go, well, my wash day go a whole lot easier if I was taking care of my new growth. So lesson learned. Taking care of your new growth helps with reducing breakage. Well, for me, reducing breakage, and it does help me to my locks combine a whole lot less when I'm taking care of my new growth. So yeah. All right, so those were all of the lessons I learned during my year 2 of being locked. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked this video. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, tap the notification bell so you can know every time me and your girl uploads a new video. If y'all have any other tips or any other lock lessons or anything lock related, lock questions, drop it down in the comments or hit me up on Instagram at Maverick Locks or Curl Maverick, either one. But if y'all want to keep up with my lock journey, I would suggest following my Pinterest boards and my Maverick Locks page. So that's pretty much it. It's been nice talking to y'all. I had a great time. Glad you stopped by. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Talk to y'all later.